Good morning, class. I hope you are good and fine. Today we will learn about what comes after. Open your book, page number 2. Page number 2. What comes after? After mean बाद में. आपका जो नंबर 2 है उसके बाद जो नंबर है वो कौन सा नंबर है? What comes after? For example, what comes after number 1? After 2. What comes after number 4? What comes after 5? 6. After 6. What comes after 7? 8. 8. What comes after 9? Counting 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What comes after 41? 42. Tell me, student. What comes after 43? 44. 44. What comes after 45? 46. 46. What comes after 47? 48. Tell me, student, last number? 49. After 50. Activity number 1. Write the number that comes after. Number 34. What comes after 35? What comes after 29? 30. What comes after number 46? 47. What comes after number 50? 51. What comes after 42? 43. What comes after number 50? 51. Home activity. Write the number that comes after page number 2. Question number B. Write in your homework copies. Thank you, student. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.